Hello everyone, myself Ranjan Kumar Prasad. I am an assistant teacher of Kaukak Bagisa LP School of Charaidev district of Assam under the educational block Shonari. I have completed my graduation in mathematics and I have also completed 2 years diploma in elementary education. I am from a small village of Charaidev district of Assam. Charaidev was formally declared as a district on 15th August 2015 by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. Charaidev has a great historical significance. Charaidev was the capital of Ahom Kingdom, established by the first Ahom king Shaolung Sukafa. The Moidams of Ahom kings and queens are comparable to the pyramids of Egypt. So Charaidev is well known for its historical significance. Now we are the teachers of elementary section. We have to deal with the students who are at a very lower group of ages. So as we have to deal with very small students, we need to represent each and everything before them uh, very simply so that they can understand that easily. Anything what we want to explain before them, we must have to explain that thing by taking some examples or by taking an example of a story or such thing. And for that, we have to develop our teaching skills, teaching methods. This field, our government helps us. Many training sessions are conducted for our teachers, and going through that trainings with the teachers can develop our teaching skills. Now, when we talk about training sessions, we can also take the name of ZIIEI of Aurobindo Society. It is a very nice platform. Aurobindo Society is taking a very good initiative for our teachers. It conducts some training sessions which helps our teachers. Now, when we take the name of ZIIEI of Aurobindo Society, I was added to the WhatsApp group of ZIIEI of Charaidev district during the pandemic situation of for COVID-19, and till now we have completed 7 sessions. Our trainer, Miss Monalisa Kalita, is really a very dedicated trainer. She is very friendly to us. She conducts our sessions very smoothly and she explains each and everything very simply. And all of we are enjoying our sessions very much, and its credit really goes directly to our trainer Monalisa Kalita. So I would like to thank her. In these sessions, we are going through many beautiful topics like the way how we can conduct online classes among our students, and also we are going through many topics related to our teaching and learning methods. We also discuss about the methods by which we can represent any subject matter to our students using TLM or using examples related to present situation very easily so that they can understand the topic. We are also introduced to the ZIIEI Innovative Patsala app by our trainer Monalisa Kalita. It is also a very nice platform. We can also share our innovative ideas if we have through this platform. So we can learn, we can teach through this platform. That means it's a very nice platform for our teachers. It really very good platform. We can share our ideas to others, and we can be benefited by the other teachers. So at last, I would like to thank ZIIEI. I would like to thank Aurobindo Society, and especially I would like to thank our trainer Monalisa Kalita. Really, we are enjoying our sessions because of her. So finally, once again, I would like to thank our trainer. So thanks to all.